Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the Ryan Lawnaire V. Let me just start out by pointing out that the Ryan was purchased by the Bobcat company, so they are going to be transitioning to a Bobcat brand, but we'll still be selling, servicing, carrying the parts, and if you have old Ryan products, we'll still be able to take care of those for you. So it's really just a color change and a name change to match up with the Bobcat. But going to the Lawnaire V, so this is built off the old Lawnaire IV, and this is just a wider version. And the Lawnaire IV is still available. The Lawnaire IV is a 19-inch aerating width, where this is a 26.5-inch, which has gotten much more popular than the Lawnaire IV, because even the overall width with the wheels, you're just under 36 inches, so it'll still fit through those small 36-inch gates. So you gain a lot of productivity with the Lawnaire V. You get up to 40,000 square feet of aeration productivity. So it's a very productive. So there's a lot of new aeration systems come out, a lot of great technology. This is kind of the old tried and true simple aeration. Still does an excellent job. Uses the drum up front to propel the machine, and that can be filled with water to add additional weight, which transfers to the tines for additional traction. But probably one of the biggest changes over the years, they've gone to what they call easy steer technology, where if you remember the old ones, you kind of had a lift to turn the machine so it wouldn't tear the turf as you turned. But with the easy steer, as you turn left or right, the outside tines will rotate faster, so you can still aerate, get that good penetration without having to pull the tines out of the ground. So it's a huge, not just productivity, but a lot less wear and tear on the operator. So it's a very nice improvement they've made over the years. But otherwise, it's the old tried and true Ryan. Still does a great job. Powered by the Honda GX engine, which is probably one of the best engines on the market. So the Lawnaire V is still an excellent choice for that commercial productivity that you're looking for. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything.